Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Cummins India is our first stock for option trading for Monday's session. This is a steep uptrend and this very zone right here, it was nothing but a consolidation. So if you compare the volume activity when stock was in uptrend till here and when stock was in consolidation, the volume activity is higher as compared to the volume activity in this smallish channel. Again, around all-time high. Is it all-time high? I have to go to weekly chart. Yes, it is all-time high. So when a stock is reaching an all-time high, for the stock to go parabolic above the all-time high, what we want is that we want a lot of build-up, ideally 2-3 weeks of build-up right here around or below the all-time high. Second thing is the volume activity has to be moderate. So this setup is ticking all the boxes. So in subsequent week, we are looking at the level of 1,400. If there is a daily closing above 1,400, the stock can go really far. Also, if there is a weekly closing above 1,400, then nothing like it. The stock will keep on moving higher and higher. We will be buying Cummins India 1,450 rupees of call option of December monthly expiry. If there is a breakout above 1390, I have to correct the stop loss. Stop loss is 1370. I have given targets in the multiple of 10 rupees till the landmark level of 1,500 rupees. We are going to finish it off with Manappuram Finance Limited on the daily chart. This was a downtrend followed by recovery right at 80 rupees. If you see the price action, this was a nice rally followed by a contraction. I would say profit booking, not contraction. The profit booking would only reach 90 rupees, whereas the recovery started from 80 rupees. And right after that, there was a slowdown in the momentum, but at the level of around 110 rupees, which was the previous swing high, we did see increase in volume activity as well as the range of the candle. But again, the profit booking came into the picture, which means that buyers are not convinced about this stock. May be attributed to weak fundamentals, but again, that 110 level, which was previously a resistance level, has become a support level. Can you spot these multiple red candles with wick on the bottom end? It is implying buying pressure. So ideally, with the formation of this bullish candle, the stock will again try to reach and hit the previous high, which was around 120 rupees. That is an immediate target we are looking at. And depending upon how the price action pans out, the level of 125 can also be within the reach of buyers in subsequent weeks. We will be buying Manappuram Finance at 120 rupees and the call option has to be of December monthly expiry. Only if there is a breakout above 113.50 rupees. Targets I'm looking in the range of 120 to 125 rupees, whereas I have given a stop loss of 1.5 rupees only.